Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro Q videos. 164 tune cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I just bought this what they call this? It's a fire station uh, made for 164 scale cars. And this one guys is a Maisto Fresh Metal 100. Play places, build and play fire station. uh, as you can see guys, I thought it was a plastic, but it's only a cardboard, thick paper guys. So I thought it was a good diorama for my Choro Q guys. My fire station, my fire engine collection guys. It has this one and this one guys. As you can see guys, it's like a paper craft guys. A little bit thick cardboard and nothing much. With only this pole lamp guys, and this barrier, it's made of paper. As you can see guys, it comes with a free fire engine truck and a helicopter, but I use this for Choro Q guys. As you can see, so I thought this was a plastic or made of plastic guys. I did not expect that it's made of paper or what they call this, a thick paper. So I just got a little bit disappointed. Well, it's only cheap. Anyway guys, this is a Maisto brand fire station diorama, good for Choro Q cars, standard size. And this is a 164 scale diorama guys. That's it. Hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Bye.